So, today's agenda.
Inventory.
We usually do to every cupboard inventory every 6 months.
Yeah.
And every time we throw away stuff. For example, now we have 2 extra plates that we don't rarely use.
Yeah.
So we're gonna throw them away.
Other one is half broken and other one has full of scratches. So
Now we have just extras and we're gonna get rid of them.
yeah, and we discovered we have 2 spatulas, so the smaller one is
Going away. Can opener.
That's really important. And
And
we only have one, so
Yes, and it's always lost. So we're gonna
yeah.
keep that.
A big knife that I don't ever use.
But there's a situation that nowadays
It's there because we have used it.
yeah, but it's really dull after
No,
2
because
months.
it lives here.
It's
You always put it here.
it's dull. It doesn't cut tomato anymore. So we have actually made
This goes to the maybe pile.
yeah. So we have made a system that when we have gone through everything and someone of us tells that we have to get rid of stuff, we have veto chance to say no.
You can use it 2 times and you don't have to explain it.
Yeah. So lots of things to get
Yeah.
rid of.
And we have 3 and we only need 2. But if I want to
Actually,
use...
we have 5. We don't really know where we have got these.
I think maybe we grilled food together, so we have stolen them from somebody. So if you are missing a fork and you have cooked us dinners
It's gonna be going to
in
the
the trash.
Sorry. Show us what we have done. This is almost empty.
Yeah, and I don't know why we have like tools here, because these do not live there.
Actually, it's your gas tank opener nowadays.
Oh, okay. So
Because Sarah doesn't...
I have power in my hand. So I can keep this.
yes, it's your tool.
Okay, let's put it in there where the gas bottle lives.
Yeah.
Thank you. We are doing a little pimping inside of our car. This fabric, can you see the color? So it's not just black and white and gray. There's actual color.
Yeah. It will be really messy look.
Yeah.
On top of the sewing machine in the library, there's 3D printers, there's computers that you can actually do edits on videos. They are totally free, and actually there's lots of things that you can do. We actually got our drapes ready.
Drapes. Can you know which one is Jonni's and which one is mine?
This one. And this one. The better is mine.
But they're pretty much identical, which was the whole purpose.
In Finland there's this kansanopisto, which translates to people's school. Yeah. So it's basically a school that there's courses that you can actually learn new skills.
How to make food.
How to sew.
How to clean. How to make a boat if you want to. How to fix your computer.
How to fix your bikes and all kind of like really practical skills you can get from there. Teachers are usually normal people that maybe know some good skill, and then they teach the skill to everyone else.
Yeah, and you can really find new friends from there because they are happy and people are interested in the same things like you. So Those are really nice courses.
I have been in one, and it was actually the Russian language course. I thought that I would need Russian in my next job, so I went for short course to learn some Russia. But we are now ready, so we can go back to our van. Actually, I think we're gonna spend the night here in Laajasalo. We haven't been here never for overnight, so this is first time.
Totally new, different kind of part of Helsinki, because none of our friends live here and we have never basically been here.
Yeah, and this is not like in near either of our workplaces, so it's not really practical to come here to spend overnight, but this time it is.
Yeah.
Drapes are ready, we just need to put the hangers on there and that's it. Actually, we checked the place to park overnight on that normal parking lot and we decided to ditch the place. Yeah, it's pretty popular place and there's a little road going just by a parking spot. Found just a little harbor here, just by the sea. And we can go morning swim if we want to the public beach, which is just beside us. And we are surrounded by forest, which is nice. Yllätys!
Wanna come to hot shower?
Yes, and I took the option number 2.
The cold shower.
Yes. Pulla, do you want to go swim with me?